This dog is living proof that dogs can't change their spots, but they can definitely change their color.
I got that on video.
I begin to pass out. Then my head hit the wall.
Brother,
This white dog's convinced that mud is the ultimate tanning lotion.
what's that? What's that, brother?
Rumba, ¿qué es esto? ¿Cree que quedándose muy quieto no lo va a pillar o qué? Rumba. 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 Rumbita.
Gordon thinks that the pumpkin has successfully made him invisible.
Maverick!
Dude, where are you? Mom's looking for you.
Maverick! Maverick! Maverick, where are you?
There are many ways that Doggo supports its parents. One of them is washing their cars.
Nela, esse cachorro não pode ser real. O que ele tá fazendo?
Put his water bowl in a planter box so at least he's watering your plants. Why we should calculate carefully before doing anything.
Deixa eu dar feliz dia das crianças pro meu amor. Ronaldo, feliz dia das...
Doesn't help that the other dog looks just as concerned as he does. He definitely saw something on his way home and needed to check it out.
Shark! Shark!
หน้ามันนะลูกเนาะสมหน้ามันจะร้องซะ
ฉันว่าฉันเห็นมันร้องแล้วเปิดกล้องดูเอ้ามันมุดไปทำอะไรวะ
ติดอยู่
เอาออกเด็กดื้อ
This wasn't what I was expecting my Wednesday morning to go like, that's for damn sure.
Because of his passion for teasing his homie, the puppy's equipped himself with all the necessary skills. Never anger a dog, because he'll surely make you feel funny. When Doggy was so obsessed with Harry Potter that he thought he could get to Hogwarts this way. Life's too short not to try everything in life. Poodle thought he was about to enter a new world.
Dios mío. 4 años. 4 años. ¿Te parece a vos? ¿Te parece estar haciendo eso?
There are angels and demons present in the Sheba. Don't let the evil one appear. To this impatient boy, speed is the top priority, no matter what.
Pero es que quién puta madre lo manda a salirse. Ve.
My dear, my little baby. You know you're my son. You know I birthed you. You're adopted. Stop. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking.
The big bro's using up all of his patience just to be able to not hit his bro. This dog is absolutely pooped, looking at how much farther they have to climb. Likes to be different, he has his own path. Doggy never forgets he has a great bed.
You ready? Is he ready?
Got home. But look at this. Buddy, you don't have to be weird with me when I come home every time. I've never done anything to you. Hi, buddy. Good morning.
We're trying everything we can. Look at those ears. He's licking his foot too much and it's getting infected, isn't it? Come here. There's a cone on it.
Deciding what to say to that new friend can be difficult for this introverted dog. When humans think their doggo's having a good dream.
What?
Being an overdramatic actor, he has a lot of movie scripts in his mind right now. Who says an elder bro has to give in to his younger bros? The reason why this doggy's human never misses a phone call.
ใครโทรมา โอ้ยเจ๊
As far as he knew, this was an alien coming to destroy his Earth. It's hard to choose between answering his heart call or his stomach call.
are you doing?
No matter how silly you are, we still love them. Thanks a lot.